It's a tail. The antics worked, Sikandar. What are you going to do?
We're gonna have a ball first.
Okay, looking at the surface, why the bowling first today?
Yeah, listen, I thought the wicket did get better, but I think knowing our wickets on this side of the wicket, they just keep getting better and better. So I think, especially when we're batting second, I think the wicket's actually going to get better.
How difficult will it be for you to come back today with a good performance after yesterday?
Not difficult at all, because the motivation is there, the confidence is there, the skill set is there. So no, we want to do well. We want to finish the series on a high.
Final game of the series, what's the 11 looking like?
Yeah, we got
Oh, that's Fupi against the treatment. Well, if you're going to bowl such pies, it's going to be edible very quickly. Down the ground he goes again. Out of yag she goes.
New ball.
Bowled in. Got him. Wow, that's a big blow. There's nothing more than just a military medium pace, and that gets the punishment it is. There's a catch. Yes, big outside edge. Nick, lucky for him. Not too expensive
Today.
That's in the air. Could be out. Oh my goodness. He got there, but just couldn't hold on. Always difficult having to come forward.
Steps out and smashes him for 6. That is what Sanju Samson is capable of. He has his first bound. Got into a great position. That is massive. On the roof of the Harare Sports Club, Rian Parag has been... that is out of here. Oh, the roof has been kept busy at Harare. This time it's Samson. Up and over. Gorgeous. And 6. Catch it! Call for catch it. Fielders running in. And Engarama holds on. Parag's fun.
What a great stroke.
What a lovely cricketing stroke.
Looking for the second, and that should be his second international half-century. Sanju Samson, his first innings of note on tour here in Zimbabwe, and he's made most use of it. What an innings from the Indian wicket.
This one's in the air. Marumani takes an outstanding catch, running off the deep mid-wicket boundary. It's the danger. Smashed through the offside. There was just a bit of width, and the length slightly full. Dube takes advantage. Oh, now low full toss, and it's gone to the top of the grandstand. Just what the doctor ordered for India. And now it's going to be leg byes. Ring of the bats. In the air. Oh, he's put it down. Raza, confusion, run out opportunity. It will be a wicket anyway.